Hey guys, it's Robsy, back with Paperless X. In today's video, we'll be looking at the latest update in LiquidText. If you're new to our channel, hello. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you know each time we release a new video. And if you're already subscribed, fantastic human, welcome back. Woke up to an update from LiquidText for comments, which will allow us to auto-position the comments to the margins of our documents. You see how the comments overlap onto the PDF, covering some of the text in the PDF? Here's another one, but this one is not so bad. The app can fix this now so your comments don't overlap to cover your PDF. I was expecting the comments to anchor on the edge of the document, but it did solve the overlapping issue in these cases. This new feature is automatically turned on for new projects, so we'll have to use an old one to see the setup we had before. We can still move the comments to overlap on the documents in these old projects. Turning on the feature automatically moves all the comments to the margins of the document. Trying to overlap them becomes impossible, so they just snap back to the margin. The problem, though, comes with documents that have very narrow margins. The comment will still cover parts of the document in that case. So yeah, this is why I was expecting them to go to the edge of the document instead of the margins. All the sample documents in LiquidText have quite wide margins. That is probably why our developers thought the new position is ideal. After going through a couple of PDFs, I realized that only a handful of PDFs are affected. What do you guys think is better, a margin or edge anchor for our comments? That way, it will be more inclusive, I would say. No PDF is left out. We hope that you found this useful. Thank you, fantastic human, for watching. See you in the next video.